was a big old bite. I love my mama's chicken spaghetti. Mmm. So let's show them how we can switch hands. Go. Here.
Wow.
Here. Hey. Use this hand.
I know, right?
So much for ambidextrous. I'm hungry, Dad. Whatever is faster.
Look at him. Oh, do you see him looking at you? Daddy's gonna get me if I use my hands. Use your fork.
Use your fork. Use your fork.
Uh-oh.
Did you hit the wall? Are you actually full? That's only your fourth helping. Use your fork. Here. Let's try this one more time. Are you done?
Don't look at me, dude. I can't help you. Daddy is in control of the fork.